Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas here in Panay News Tonight. COVID-19 cases in Iloilo province of this January 2021 already exceeded the number it recorded December last year. Data from the Provincial Health Office showed that Iloilo recorded a total of 378 cases of the viral disease from January 1 to January 25, or 10 cases higher than the whole December with 368. PHO Chief Dr. Maria Socorro Colmenares Quinyon said Iloilo recorded more cases of this January due to the celebration of some residents during the holiday season, wherein social distancing and other proper health protocols were not observed. This month had the fifth highest number of COVID cases in Iloilo province since the pandemic started March last year. The highest was in October with 524. Provincial government of Negros Occidental is strictly imposing swab testing upon arrival of residents as part of the strict enforcement of health and safety protocols against COVID-19. Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson said Monday returning Negrenses who had their swab testing in Manila will still be required to do the same when they arrive in the province. This came after 4 Negrense repatriates were placed under strict monitoring for possibly being infected with the B117 SARS-CoV-2 variant of COVID-19. Provincial Administrator Rayfrando Diaz said the 4 came from countries that have confirmed cases of the B117 variant. Their specimens were already sent to the Philippine Genome Center for examination. Negros Occidental's first 2 suspected cases were a couple from London, England. They were both residents of Pontevedra town. The 2 others were a teacher in Talisay City who came home from the United States Virgin Islands and a resident of Bago City from Egypt. More than 600 motorcyclists joined a fundraising activity to help over 500 boatmen who lost their livelihood after their wooden hull boats plying the Iloilo-Guimaras route and vice versa were phased out. Around 630 riders joined a charity ride for the Sakayanons initiated by the Guimaras Riders Group on January 24. The ride started at 1 p.m. from the Buena Vista Wharf and passed through Jordan, Nueva Valencia, Sibunag, and San Lorenzo towns. All proceeds of the fundraising will be used to purchase goods for the economically hard-up boatmen. The Maritime Industry Authority is standing firm on its decision to cease the operation of wooden-hulled motorboats. It rejected the appeal of the provincial government of Guimaras to extend the certificate of public convenience of the wooden boats, which expired on December 31, 2020. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is Panay News, the #1 digital and printed news in the region. Don't forget to always wear face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands and observe proper physical distancing. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, Western Visayas. See you again tomorrow evening.